Check this out. We have this enclosed cat area and we have a bird seed block out here. Oh my gosh, this is like just candy for cats. Look at these kitties out here. They are just entranced by all of the action out at the birdseed block with the quails. This one has apparently had enough and come inside. This way they don't get to the wildlife and the wildlife doesn't get to them. These are our foster kittens that we're taking care of, and hopefully they're going to get adopted. They're big enough now, so they're going to be going to PetSmart soon.